In Western nations, immigrants often work in blue-collar roles with low-skill occupations. And as these nations have welcomed millions of immigrants over the past 2 decades, researchers have wondered how migrant workers impact the productivity of blue-collar work groups, and what other factors may influence this relationship. By analyzing 629 blue-collar work groups comprising over 10,000 individuals from a large Swiss company, researchers found that a notable number of migrant workers may actually enhance group productivity, contradicting past research, but that the effect is influenced by several complex factors. The relationship between migrant proportion and group performance follows an inverted U-shaped curve. Productivity in work groups increases until the percentage of migrant group members reaches approximately 38%, after which productivity begins to decline. The decline is particularly seen in work groups whose members have not been with the work group very long, meaning that groups with longer tenured members tend to maintain higher productivity even with higher proportions of migrant workers. Another factor affecting group productivity was whether migrants came from wealthier or high-status countries versus poorer or lower-status nations. As high and middle-status migrants increase, productivity also tends to increase beyond the 38% threshold. Lastly, regions of the country with high proportions of permanent resident migrants tend to see increased productivity in blue-collar work groups, perhaps illustrating that migrants flourish as they get support from larger local communities of like-minded people. Wonder how and why migrant workers affect the productivity of blue-collar work groups? If so, you may want to read this paper.